Hello students, welcome to day 43 of PU2 Brahmastra series. So as you all know, we have completed all our chapters. We are doing now revision of organic chemistry and I have given you 2 videos to practice organic conversions, right? So this is very important to have a grip, to have a mastery over all the reactions. So in today's video also we will be continuing with the organic chemistry revision because it is organic chemistry is something which needs repeated revision to master them, right? So yes, in today's class we are going to discuss all the name reactions in one shot. Okay, so whatever name reactions are there in this, all the 4 chapters, I have compounded them in this one particular video. So you need to just make a note of these name reactions and you have to prepare them, because you know in your PU board examination any name reaction can be asked for 2 marks, where you need to write the statement and the next one you have to write the example or the reaction itself. Okay, so everywhere I'll be telling you, when doing name reaction you should be writing like name of the reaction, what is the reactant, what is the reagent and what is the product, okay, and then the reaction. So you do not have to write the statement, but you have to write like this: reactant, reagent and product. Okay, so yes students, now let's get started with the first name reaction, that is aldol condensation. Okay, so I have tried, I think, to go alphabetical order, not chapter wise, little alphabetical order. So I have not done this one chapter wise so that we can like jumbled up. If we go chapter wise then we are like monotonous, like we can know, okay, this is there in the same way. But here if I give you something out of the other chapters, then whether you are able to recall it or not. Okay, so fine. So aldol condensation, you can see the statement here, and aldol condensation is a condensation reaction in which 2 carbonyl moieties, okay, so this is the reactant, reacts to form, what is the product? Beta hydroxyaldehyde or beta hydroxy ketone. Okay, what is the reagent? In presence of dilute NaOH, and this is then followed by dehydration to give you the conjugated enone. Okay, so you can see the reaction here. We have 2 carbonyl moieties, they give beta hydroxyaldehyde or ketone first, and after dehydration they gave you enone compound in the presence of dilute NaOH. Okay, so this is the reaction. I hope this is clear. Let us go to the next question. Next, carbylamine reaction. Okay, so let us see carbylamine reaction. So the carbylamine reaction is also known as the Hoffmann isocyanate synthesis, is the synthesis of an isocyanate. So the product is isocyanate by the reaction of primary amine, chloroform and a base. So primary amine is the reactant, chloroform and base is the reagent, isocyanate is the product. Okay, and this one also you should know, it is used as a test for primary amines. Okay, clear? So now this is done. So you can see NC, how do we test that? So this isocyanate has a foul smell. Okay, because of this foul smell we get a we'll get a we get to know that it is a primary amine, right? So I hope all of you can guess this chapter, this question or this name reaction is from the chapter amines. Okay, so A se kya hua? A se we got aldol condensation, then from B we got nothing, we don't have any reaction. From C we got carbylamine reaction. Can we guess any other reaction from the name C? Let me please put in the comment section if you can recognize any other reaction that we have studied starting from letter C. Okay, so it's like a word game. Okay, A for, B for, C for, we will be doing in the case of name reactions. Okay, so yes, quickly comment down. I will be going to the next slide and you can see the next reaction, anything starting from C or not. But before that, I want all of you who are watching this video, please comment down. Okay, fine. Now let us see. Yes, the next reaction, those who have thought that there is no other reaction from C, I am very sorry for you. Then another reaction is also there, and that is your Cannizzaro reaction. Now those students who have already guessed this one, you need to put down this chapter is in which, this reaction is in which chapter. Okay, we have 4 chapters. This reaction comes under which chapter? Please put in the comment section. Okay, so now Cannizzaro reaction is a chemical reaction that involves the base-induced disproportionation reaction of the 2 molecules of a non-ionizable aldehyde to yield a carboxylic acid and a primary alcohol. Ma'am, this definition is so confusing. No need. You do not have to write this way. You can just write down any aldehydes or ketones which do not have a alpha hydrogen. Okay, which do not have an alpha hydrogen undergoes disproportionation reaction, okay, in presence of a base to give carboxylic acid and a primary alcohol. Okay, I will be writing a simpler reaction for you. So you can write down any carbonyl compound, okay, which does not have alpha hydrogen react in presence of strong base, or we just write down like this, see, not react, which does not have alpha hydrogen, undergoes disproportionation reaction, undergoes disproportionation reaction in the presence of base, in the presence of base to give alcohol and acid. Okay, I hope this definition will be more simple and easy for you, and reactions, you can see reaction is there. Okay, next we'll go to Clemmensen reduction. So yes, there is one more reaction from C. So A1 reaction on C, this is the third reaction. Okay, Clemmensen reduction. So Clemmensen reduction also you comment on from which chapter? So here aldehydes or ketones are converted to alkanes by using hydrochloric acid and zinc amalgam. Very simple. You can just simply write down whichever things I have highlighted, just you need to write that much. Okay. So you can see here reaction ZnHg amalgam, if you use, this is converted to alkanes. Okay, clear? Very simple reaction. Now which reaction will be there? Any other C reactions are there? Any other reaction starting from letter C? Is it there? I think no, but let us see. Okay, so before that I want to tell you something else. So students, as you all know, we have started our PU2 test series, which is named as PU2 Success Blueprint test series, and in this test series you will be getting 12 mock test papers, which includes 4 part tests and 8 full length papers. You will also be getting 1 short revision videos for all the chapters, doubt clarification, live classes, as well as you will be getting the detailed video solutions with explanation. Okay, apart from this, you will be getting all these tests from the subject physics, chemistry, maths, bio or CS. Okay, and even there is Kannada as an add-on. Now these all things are available at just 599 rupees, but yes, since the new year is coming, the moment of enjoy, the moment of thrill is coming, so we have decided to give you a discount on this. So you can use the coupon NY2025, okay, to avail 100 rupees off, and you can get this at 499 rupees. But yes, this coupon will be valid from tomorrow, that is from 31st December, okay, to 10th of Jan. Okay, till 10th of Jan, from 31st December you can use this coupon. So make sure that you do not further delay about this test series. Please go to the description section, click on the link and buy the test series as soon as possible. Okay, fine. Now we will go to the next reaction, that is letter E, Etard reaction. Okay, so Etard reaction is a chemical reaction that involves the oxidation of aromatic or heterocyclic bound methyl group. So you can just write down toluene, okay, to an aldehyde in presence of chromyl chloride. Okay, toluene is converted to aldehyde in presence of chromyl chloride. Okay, next we'll go from E. I don't think any other reactions is there. Yes, coming to F, we have Finkelstein reaction. So Finkelstein reaction is from which chapter? Please comment down. So the treatment of primary alkyl halide reactant with what is the reagent? Alkali metal halide in KFKI leads to the replacement of the halogen via SN2 reaction. Okay, so you can just write down the treatment of primary alkyl halide with an alkali metal halide. So here generally if you write iodide, that is more I can say relevant, okay, because it is used for the synthesis of iodide. So that is your Finkelstein reaction. Okay, next we have G. Anything you can remember from G? Can you quickly guess and put in the comment section? I have already got a reaction from G. That is your Okay, we have one more F reaction, Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. So all of you might be knowing this. So Friedel-Crafts alkylation is a reaction in which the aromatic compounds, the proton is substituted with an alkyl group in the presence of anhydrous aluminium chloride. Okay, so if Friedel-Crafts alkylation is there, the next can be Friedel-Crafts acylation. Okay, the same thing. Yes, from G coming is your Gabriel-phthalimide synthesis reaction. Okay, very important reaction. You can see the reaction. It is very important, very important question from the chapter amines, right? Preparation of amines. So Gabriel-phthalimide synthesis is a chemical reaction that transfers the primary alkyl halide to primary amines. Okay. And here you should remember one thing, this method is used only for the synthesis of primary amines. Okay, only for primary amines. Clear? Fine. Now coming to the next one, Gattermann reaction. Okay, so Gattermann reaction is from your benzene diazonium chloride. So conversion of diazonium salt with copper powder in presence of corresponding halogen acids. Okay, so you will be getting diazonium salts as the reactant, copper plus an HCl is the reagent, and the halide or haloarenes will be the product. Okay, next G is done. Anything we can guess next? Yes, Gattermann-Koch reaction. Okay, so Gattermann-Koch reaction is for the preparation of benzaldehyde. We use CO and HCl in presence of AlCl3 and CuCl. Okay, so you can see in Gattermann-Koch reaction, benzene is treated with carbon monoxide in the acidic medium in presence of anhydrous aluminium chloride to give benzaldehyde. Okay, fine. Next we have anything else do we think we have from this? One second. One second, students. Okay. Okay. Next, if you see, then after that G, I don't remember anything. H, there is one reaction actually which I might have missed. So, or it may be there at the end. But if you have not, just write down this one, Hoffmann, bromamide degradation. Okay, actually I can remember one more also, Hoffmann bromamide degradation. Any other? Yes, HVZ reaction. So please put a list of these two reactions. Okay, I'll be discussing this at the end of the lecture. I don't remember whether I've added it later or not. So just put this. From H we have these two reactions. Okay, then I don't reaction, J no reaction, K also no reaction. Kolbe's method is there, but that is not exactly in your chapter. Kolbe's, then K, L, M I also think no reaction, N no reaction, O, P, Q, R. Okay, so R we have Reimer-Tiemann reaction. Okay, so Reimer-Tiemann reaction, what happens? You just take phenol and you convert it into salicylic aldehyde, right? So the Reimer-Tiemann reaction is the chemical reaction that is used for the orthoformylation of the phenols in presence of CHCl3 and KOH. Okay, so you get salicylic aldehyde. Clear? Okay, next we have why is this not working? One second. Okay, fine. After that, from R we have Rosenmund reaction. So Rosenmund reaction, I think very popular reaction, all of you might be knowing. So any acyl chloride, when you treat with hydrogen and palladium barium sulfate, we get the Cl gets replaced with H to give you aldehyde. Okay, fine. Next we have S is Sandmeyer reaction. So under Sandmeyer reaction we have benzene diazonium. So Sandmeyer reaction and Gattermann reaction, you should be very careful about the reagent. Okay, so here it is CuX and there it is Cu and HX. Okay, so if you use benzene diazonium chloride with CuX, you will get haloarenes. Okay, so that is done for Sandmeyer reaction. One second. Then we have, yes, Stephan reaction. After Sandmeyer reaction we have Stephan reaction here. So Stephan reaction is for the preparation of your again benzaldehyde from benzonitrile. So what is happening? Nitrile reacts with tin chloride SnHCl and hydrochloric acid to form iminium salt, then quenching of iminium salt, and so you do not have to write this much, just you need to write benzonitrile reacts with SnCl2 and HCl to give you benzaldehyde. Okay, Stephan reaction. Fine. Next what we have, next one is, one second, Okay. Okay. After next with Stefan reaction, can you guess any other reaction? So we have now Swarts reaction. Okay, so Swarts reaction is your CH3Br with AgF will give you CH3F. So you can remember any haloarenes when reacted with silver fluoride will give you fluoroarenes. Okay, fluoroalkanes. So that is your Swarts reaction. So please make a list of these all reactions. Next we have, okay, one second, after Swarts reaction we have Williamson ether synthesis. So after S, T is there, we don't have any reaction, U no reaction, V no reaction, W we have reactions. So Williamson ether synthesis. So here we have one haloalkane and a oxide, or you can say alkoxide ion reacts to give you a ether. Okay, so the temperature here maintained, you should be knowing at low temperature in dry atmosphere this reaction takes place. Okay, Williamson ether synthesis. Next we have Wolff-Kishner reduction. So that is again from aldehydes and ketones chapter. Okay, so very similar to Clemmensen reduction, but Clemmensen reduction takes place in acidic medium, Wolff's reaction takes place in the basic medium. Okay, so if you have any what I'll say aldehyde group or ketone group, and if you treat them with NH2 NH2 KOH, you get the hydrocarbon part. Okay. Okay, next, any W reaction do you remember? Wurtz reaction. Okay, so Wurtz reaction is used for the preparation of higher alkanes. So here the alkyl halides react in presence of sodium dry ether to give you hydrocarbons of higher number. Okay, so generally if 1 R is there in the product, you will get 2 R. Okay, fine. Next, any reaction can we remember? Wurtz-Fittig reaction. Okay, so Wurtz-Fittig reaction is your similarly, it's very similar. So see, in Wurtz reaction you have Rx plus Rx. Okay, in Fittig reaction this is very simple to remember. So in Fittig reaction you have Arx plus Arx. Okay, you will get Ar. And then in Wurtz-Fittig reaction, you have Arx plus Rx. You will get ARR. Okay, clear? Next we have which reaction? Yes, so I have missed, I told you 2 reactions. HVZ reaction is from the H letter. Okay, so in Helvold-Zelensky reaction, what happens? The carboxylic acid which has an alpha carbon, okay, the halogenation of a carboxylic acid at the alpha carbon in presence of Br2, PBr3 and H2O. Okay, so this you can see, this is your alpha carbon, right? This carbon is alpha carbon. Here we have the hydrogen, and this hydrogen is replaced with bromine. Okay, so halogenation of the alpha carbon. Now this one will take place if there is an alpha hydrogen. Okay, fine. Next we have let us see the next one. Yes, Hoffmann bromamide degradation. I missed these 2 there, so you need to adjust this in the, if you are doing alphabetical order, so you can list it. So Hoffmann bromamide degradation, what happens here? If you have any amide group and you treat it in presence of Br2 or like any X2 and base, the carbonyl part is removed and we get amines 1 carbon less. Okay, so you can see in Hoffmann bromamide reaction, an amide, okay, reacts with bromine and an aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide which produces primary amine. Okay, now this is a degradation reaction in which the primary amine in the product has 1 carbon lesser than the primary amide in the reactant. Okay, so this is important. Whenever you see there is in the conversion questions, if you are doing and you see that there is 1 carbon less, then directly you can guess that it must be a Hoffmann bromamide degradation. Okay, fine. Let us see the next one. So yes, from K I told you Kolbe's reaction is also there. So Kolbe's reaction, what does it do? The phenoxide ion reacts with the carbon dioxide to form orthohydroxybenzoic acid or salicylic aldehyde. Okay, so if you have phenol group, first it is converted to phenoxide ion by just simply treating it with NaOH. After that you react this with what we'll say CO2. So the CO2 group is attached here and then protonation takes place and we get the salicylic acid. Okay, Next, yes, so that's all students. So as I told you already about the success blueprint test series, I won't repeat it, but yes, I'll be telling you the coupon and so that you can remember this and can avail the coupon for getting flat ₹100 off on this. Okay, and this is valid, as I told you, from 31st of December 2024 to 10th of Jan. Okay, so these dates are very important, and I have discussed all the reactions that will be there in the text. But do you think that if you think any reaction is missed which is there in an NCERT book, please comment down in the comment section. I'll be take up that in the part 2 of this video if I find any such reactions are there. Okay, one thing I'll tell you, from F we can even add Fittig reaction, so that is what I think I have missed it. Okay, so Fittig reaction, you please comment down, like you can put the Fittig reaction. And yes students, now we are done with the Brahmastra series for chemistry. At least in the next video, in the next chemistry class, I'll do one video where I'll be discussing the physical chemistry, all formulas in one particular video. Okay, so if you watch that all video, all the formulas will be done, right? So that will be discussed in the next class. So please comment down and just let us know what else do you want for your preparation. Very soon I am thinking to do the numericals of physical chemistry. Okay, one series will start from numericals of the physical chemistry, so that you don't find any difficulty in your PU2 examination. Apart from this, if you find any other thing, that also you can comment down. So students, we are putting a lot of effort from our side, so please let us know about your feeling about the classes or any other important feedback. So we are always open to your feedback. Okay, thank you students, and please remember, we have to get that 95% in our PU board examination. So study hard every day from here. Only 2 months are left, right? Not very few days, January, February, and then exams will be there. So make sure that you work each and every day. Any problem you have, please let us know. We will always be there for help you. So students, if you have liked this video and if you have thinking that these videos are helpful in your preparation, do not forget to subscribe the channel.